A person who ate a lot of junk food during a certain period saw their A1C rise to 7.1, but they subsequently reversed it to 5.3 by stopping processed food for the most part and eating mainly a whole food plant-based vegan diet. The speaker encourages the use of a grape cleanse, even for people who are insulin resistant. Dr. Robert Morse offers his perspective on reversing insulin resistance and managing diabetes, arguing that physical ailments result from man's experimentation with chemistry rather than insufficient medical intervention. Morse explains that metabolic issues stem from insufficient insulin production by beta cells and improper pH factors within the body's interstitial fluids, advocating strongly for a diet based on fruits, berries, and vegetables to maintain chemical balance. Glucose requires an insulin carrier. When beta cells do not produce enough insulin, there is insufficient insulin to move glucose through the cell wall. Fructose does not require an insulin carrier. The speaker finds it highly intriguing that fructose does not require insulin. When dealing with the insulin side of metabolism, fruit is considered the best choice. The differing requirements for a carrier, like an amino acid or hormone such as insulin, are noted, where some chemistry requires carriers and others do not. This answers why the speaker has observed clinical cases, such as those with MS or Parkinson's, who may not progress well on vegetables but can move forward on fruit. Furthermore, sugar metabolism generally involves the adrenal glands, cell regeneration, and reversing diabetes. The sources emphasize that addressing diabetes and related conditions centers on the regeneration of tissue, which means cell regeneration. To improve pancreatic cells and fix beta cells so they produce more insulin, the focus should be on the body's internal environment and cleansing processes. 1. Hydrate the lymphatic system. It is necessary to get the lymphatic system hydrated. 2. Filter the kidneys. It is crucial to get the kidneys filtering properly. One should aim to see sediment in the urine. 3. Reduce inflammation. It is necessary to get all inflammation out of the body. 4. Address weaknesses. Addressing these systemic issues can also help pick up any genetic weaknesses in the beta cells, leading to increased insulin production. Researchers randomized participants into 3 groups: a Healthy Dietary Guidelines (HDG) group, a Traditional MED Diet group, and a Green MED Diet group, which was fortified with additional polyphenols from green tea and Wolffia globosa, duckweed, and lowered in red processed meat. The Green MED diet demonstrated a significantly greater reduction in VAT, more than double that of the other groups, even though all diet groups achieved similar overall weight loss.